Lower unit came with a 3-year warranty. Right there. Came loose. Got the radio. Everything works. Got a little GPS up there. Trolling motor does not go with the boat. The battery's dead or not. No soft spots in the floor. Probably start. I don't want to run it without the muffs, but should be good to go. Storage compartment. Another little storage compartment. Guy before me had a little piece of conduit, kind of ran rod holders. What those are for. Another little compartment. Things from the cooler there. Anchor compartment. Got the rod holders and the speaker. I just use Bluetooth, but we should be able to go. All that works. I usually just use Bluetooth. So the trolling motor can go with it, but I will need an additional $1,500. Brand new trolling motor. It's got the iPilot. Minn Kota power drive, 70-pound thrust. 2 batteries. 1 battery up here. Second battery's there. Pretty much it. Fish finder works. All that works is not near any water here. The plug. If you're interested in the trolling motor, remote that works the trolling motor. Steer left, right, you got spot lock, all kinds of different stuff on here. You got the drift anchor, little live well thing. So what I use for a live well, I use that little bubbler. That that baby right there. Put a plug in this little cooler compartment here. Probably has drinks in it. And then just stick the bubbler in there. Hold the water. Other than that, she's good to go, ready to hit the water. Could use a wash, probably. There you go.